Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone won't delete photos and they reappear in iOS 14.4. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device, then wait for few seconds and turn on your iPhone. Tip number 2. Sign out of iCloud account and sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID name. Tap Sign Out. Enter your password. Tap Turn Off. Tap Sign Out. Again sign out. Tip number 3. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.